Hi, I'm Todd Cooprider with Esoteric. Welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question, how do you repair a scratch on a coated vehicle? Great question. We get that all the time. Now, you apply a coating to a vehicle, it's kind of encapsulated in a nice protective shell on it. But as we've discussed before in previous videos, coatings don't really offer you a whole lot of scratch resistance or scuff resistance. You're going to have some issues that are going to come up on it. Somebody walks by it with a bag, scrapes up against it. You're going to have an area that you're going to have to fix. And when you do that, you need to plan on doing the entire panel. So if it's a quarter panel of a car and there's a scratch or the scuff, you're going to want to go in, work on that small area to fix the defect, which is probably going to require some compounding and some polishing. Then just plan to polish out the rest of that panel because you want to even out the coating that's on there. Then once you finish that, go in and recoat that entire panel as opposed to just doing a spot correction. Because what could happen is if you work on a spot, polish it out, it can be a light spot. If you go and just put coating right over top of that, you could potentially have a blend line, or it can have a different darkness level there compared to the rest of it. So save yourself some time in the long run, polish out the entire panel, recoat it, and then you'll be good to go. For more information, we're going to link you a couple videos next. One is about how to properly apply coating so you don't make any mistakes on it, and also how to do proper machine polishing for when you have to fix those scuffs or scrapes that you may get in your coated car.